Welcome to Beauty Extras. I'm Chris Dale, and today we're going to be recharging the AC on cameraman Subaru Forester to get ready for beauty on the road. So stay tuned for that. Let's get to it. All right, so what you're gonna do is get your car up to operating temperature, remove the cap for the low pressure hose, connect the AC filler thingy, and then turn on your AC. There we go. It's getting better. Okay, it looks like it's stopping around 35, so I'm ready to take it off. And put the cap back on. All right, the AC is recharged and that sure is blowing cold. So that's it for this video. Hope to see you in the next one. Peace. Hey everyone, if you want to watch more detailing videos, go on ahead and click the sponge and spray bottle right there. And if you want to watch more modification videos, click the wheel and wrench right there. And remember, stay beautiful.